Muhammad Masood, and in this edition of Science, Business and Technology, I will discuss an important concept associated with international trade. That concept is called subsidies. Subsidies are basically grants, or rather financial grants that are basically granted by the government to any producer or to any industrialist or any large-scale producer of goods or commodities. The ethics of subsidies are basically dependent on the sort of benefit that it provides to the receiver of subsidies. If a subsidy is not able to provide any sort of benefit to the receiver of subsidies, then such subsidy won't be termed to be a good subsidy. Basically, there are four kinds of subsidies. First one is enterprise-specific subsidy, wherein government targets enterprise or industry that is basically in goods or commodities. Industrial specific subsidy or industry specific subsidy are those subsidies that are basically granted by the government to those sectors that are engaged in the production of a particular quantity of and quality of goods. Regional subsidies are basically those subsidies that are basically provided by the government to a targeted producer of goods or commodities. But not the least, subsidy is called the prohibited subsidies. Prohibited subsidies are those subsidies that are basically granted by the government to the producer, or rather to certain quality of goods and services.